Hello, in this video I will talk about the exceptions and how we create a customized exception class. So here, let's write a salary and we will get the employee salary from the user. And if the salary is a negative number, we will say this is a negative number. So let me just say double salary. And here I will prompt the user to enter a salary, system out print. Okay, enter. Let me just say salary. Okay, and here we need a scanner class. Scanner. Let me just say KB new scanner system.in. Okay, so we need to import this. So here import Java util, or let me just say scanner. What else? Okay, now we will read it from the user. So I will say salary equals kb dot next double. Okay, now I will say if salary is less than 0, salary is less than 0. Okay, so we can just say system out print line and salary is less than 0. But let's have an external file. Okay, so let me just show here. Okay, so let's create our customized exception class. So I right click here. Okay, new class, and let me name this salary exception. Salary exception. Okay, finish. Here, let's have a default or no parameter constructor. So here I will say public. By the way, we need to make this to extend. Okay, so this extends exception class. Okay, exception public salary exception okay. So here when there is no message, and let's send a message to the exception class. So exception is the parent class of salary exception. So we from here we refer to this one by using super keyword and parentheses. Inside of the parentheses, let's pass this exception class has a instance variable which is a string, and it keeps the string message. So let's say for if there is no parameter, so we assume that the number is negative. So we say number is negative, and also let me inside of the parentheses we say from default constructor. Okay. Let me just delete this one. Default constructor. Okay. Okay, so now let's see how this works. Let me just do it this way. Okay, in the tester class, so we want to create an object of this one. So how do we do this? If this is a negative number, then we want to throw it. We say throw, okay, and then we create an object of salary exception, and we use new keyword and the constructor salary exception, and no parameter for this one. When this throws, so it says then we need to handle it somewhere. So here it says unhandled exception type salary exception. So there should be a try and catch. So this throw should be in the try. Okay. So let's do this. Let me say try. We can indent this. Okay, we try it and then we catch. And what are we catching? We are just catching the salary exception. Salary exception. Let me name this SE, meaning salary exception. Here I can say system out print line. Okay, we could say here this is a negative number, but we are already doing it in the exception class. So as you see here we say number is negative. We have the information. So here I can get it this way. E dot, no, I'm not, SE, okay, SE dot get message, okay, get message. Where is this get message method? Let's look at the salary exception. There is no get message exception. Get message is not here, but it is inherited from the exception class, which is superclass of salary exception. As you see, we pass this string to super, which is exception, and this string is actually the message. So it goes to the exception class, and then by using get message, we get it. So now let's see how this works. Okay, salary. Let's say 9. Okay, it worked. So there is no problem. So if I run it, let's say -5. Okay, now it says salary is negative. Okay, default constructor. Now let's display it. If salary is everything is okay, so now let me do this. Now let's display the salary. System out print line and salary is okay, salary. Now let's see how this works. Okay, salary $8. Okay, salary is 8. Now let's do this. Let me run again. -5. Okay, I hope you see the problem here. Here we say salary is negative. That means we don't like this number. If there is an invalid entry, we don't accept it. But here it says salary is whatever it is. So how can I skip this? If it is an invalid, I don't want to display it. Okay, so let's look at here. So in the try catch, as soon as there is a throw, it doesn't continue here. So whatever we have here will not be executed. If exception is thrown in a try, and everything in this try clause, the rest of it is skipped. So this part is not executed if anything is thrown. This is what we want. If we throw the exception, we don't want to display salary. So this should go to here. So I cut from here and paste here. Okay. So and after if nothing is thrown, if exception is not thrown, everything in the try clause is executed, and the catch part is skipped completely. And in here, if I say, in here I will say whatever, so even if exception is thrown or not, if I want to say goodbye, then I put it outside of the try and catch. System out print line. Okay, so here goodbye. Now let's run the program. Salary 9. Okay, salary is 9. Goodbye. So now let's run it again. Salary -5. Okay, that's good. It doesn't display the salary. It doesn't say salary is -5. So this works. I hope this is clear. See you at the next video.